Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by using an existing Google account or creating one now. This saves time when adding Play services. Once signed in, go directly to the Google Play Store app or Play. Google.com and choose Sign In. Make sure your phone number and recovery email are ready for verification. This enables account recovery and secure payments. If you're creating a new Google account, follow the prompts for name, email, and password now, and complete basic verification so you can proceed to set up Play payments and app access. Once done with signing in, set up your payments and profile inside the Play Store so purchases and subscriptions work immediately. Open menu, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then add payment method, input card or PayPal details and billing address. Make sure your Google Payments profile country matches your billing address to avoid errors. If you plan to publish apps, create a Google Play developer account next. This requires your legal name, a $25 one-time fee, and accurate tax details so your developer profile is accepted. You finish by verifying account details and testing functionality. Confirm email and enter any SMS verification code so Play trusts your device. Then download a free app to ensure purchases and installs work. Make adjustments in account settings for family sharing, parental controls, and subscriptions. If something fails, clear the Play Store cache, remove and re-add the Google account, and retry on a stable Wi-Fi connection. If payment fails, double-check card validity and billing address. These steps resolve most setup issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.